If you had $5 million to spend on a home in London, where would you buy? Would you choose a penthouse overlooking Hyde Park in Kensington, a detached family home in Hampstead, a grand period townhouse in St. John's Wood, or a more modern penthouse with panoramic skyline views in Battersea? Today, we're going to be comparing 4 very different properties in 4 very different neighborhoods to see what a budget around £5 million actually buys in London. And as you'll discover, it's not just about the property, it's about the lifestyle that comes with it. Hi, I'm Arinzeh, a London-based real estate agent helping clients buy and sell throughout London. One of the questions I hear most often from international buyers is, how far does their money go here in the city? Of course, that's a great question, but a complex and diverse one. Because unlike many global cities, London isn't defined by, say, a singular luxury market. It's a collection of distinct neighborhoods, each with its own character, architecture, lifestyle, and buyer profile. The same budget can buy you a dramatically different homes depending on where you want and choose to live. You might prioritize prestige and proximity to Hyde Park. You might want privacy and family living. You may also be looking for classic London architecture. Or perhaps you're drawn to a more modern luxury with concierge services and skyline views. Today we're going to explore 4 properties all around $5 million mark and examine not only what you're buying, but who these homes really are for. Let's begin in Kensington, one of London's most internationally recognized and prestigious neighborhoods. For many overseas buyers, Kensington represents a classic London dream: beautiful period architecture, world-class museums, luxury shopping, Hyde Park on your doorstep, and some of the most desirable addresses anywhere in the capital. We're going to showcase this particular property, which is a 4-bedroom penthouse on Palace Gate, arranged across the 4th and 5th floors of an elegant stucco-fronted building and extending to approximately 2,880 square feet. What immediately stands out is the view. From the reception and terrace, you're looking directly across into Hyde Park. And in London, views like this are truly exceptional. The apartment offers generous, entertaining space, lift access, underfloor heating, and motorized curtains throughout. The principal suite occupies much of the upper floor and includes a dressing room, ensuite bathroom, and direct access to a substantial terrace overlooking the park. What's interesting here is that what your $5 million is actually buying. You're not buying the largest property in today's video. You're buying one of London's most prestigious locations and one of the most iconic vistas. At approximately £1,736 per square foot, buyers are paying a premium for position, prestige, and lifestyle. Now, let's move north to Hampstead. And this is where London becomes diverse and interesting, because for roughly the same budget, the proposition changes significantly. Instead of a penthouse apartment, here we're looking at a detached 6-bedroom family home extending to almost 4,000 square feet, equating to £1,282 per square foot. But for me, the real story isn't the house, it's Hampstead itself. Hampstead has long been one of London's most desirable residential neighborhoods, particularly amongst families and international buyers. What people love about the area is its village atmosphere. The high street is filled with independent cafes, restaurants, boutiques, and local businesses that create a genuine sense of community. Despite having the village vibe, you're still within easy reach of central London. Another major draw is Hampstead Heath. At nearly 800 acres, it offers one of the most extraordinary green spaces anywhere in London, with woodlands, ponds, walking trails, and some of the best views across the city. In many ways, Hampstead provides a completely different type of luxury. It's not about being seen, it's about space, greenery, privacy, and quality of life. The property itself reflects that lifestyle beautifully. The principal suite offers its own sitting room, dressing room, and ensuite bathroom, while the upper floors provide generous accommodations for family and guests. The south-facing rear garden is another standout feature and perfectly complements the family-oriented nature of the home. The property highlights one of the key choices buyers face in London. Do you prioritize prestige or proximity? Or do you prioritize space, greenery, and family living? For many buyers, Hampstead offers the perfect balance. Our third property takes us to St. John's Wood. And Kensington is about prestige and Hampstead is about space and greenery. St. John's Wood perhaps is one of London's most complete family neighborhoods. This Grade 2 listed townhouse extends to more than 4,100 square feet and priced at $5.75 million. It equates to £1,391 per square foot. It offers period architecture with contemporary interiors in a way that's increasingly difficult to find. Arranged across 5 floors, the property offers multiple reception spaces 6 bedrooms, and a private garden, creating a home that feels both elegant and highly functional for family life. The principal suite is particularly impressive, featuring a freestanding marble bath, walk-in wardrobe, and an ensuite bathroom that gives it the feel of a luxury hotel suite. But much like our Hampstead property, the real story here extends beyond the house itself. St. John's Wood has long been one of London's most sought-after neighborhoods for international families. One of the major reasons is its proximity to American School in London, which has attracted expatriate internationally mobile families for decades. The area has developed a truly international community, making it particularly appealing for buyers relocating from the United States, Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Another major advantage is connectivity. The Jubilee Line provides quick and efficient access into many of London's key business districts. The neighborhood itself is characterized by wide tree-lined streets, elegant period homes, and proximity to Regent's Park, one of London's most beautiful green spaces. What I love about St. John's Wood is that it feels simultaneously residential and international. It's sophisticated without being flashy, established without feeling old-fashioned. And for many overseas buyers, it represents the quintessential London family lifestyle. This property offers a compelling combination of space, character, and location within one of London's most enduringly popular neighborhoods. Finally, let's look at something completely different. While our previous homes focused on period architecture and traditional London living, this penthouse in Battersea represents a more contemporary vision of luxury. Occupying the entire top floor at Lombard Wharf, this 3-bedroom penthouse extends to approximately 2,944 square feet and benefits from spectacular wraparound terraces offering panoramic views across London. With an asking price of $6 million, it equates to £2,038 per square foot. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the apartment with natural light, while the principal suite enjoys bespoke wardrobes, an ensuite bathroom, and direct terrace access. Residents also benefit from a 24-hour concierge, gym facilities, and 3 secure underground parking spaces. But much like other properties we've seen today, the story here extends beyond the apartment itself. Battersea has undergone one of the most significant regeneration programs anywhere in Europe over the past decade. The transformation of 9 Elms and Battersea Power Station has fundamentally reshaped this part of London, introducing new homes, office space, restaurants, retail, public realm improvements, and major transport investment. One of the most important changes was the extension of the Northern Line, which brought new tube stations to both 9 Elms and Battersea Power Station. As a result, this area now enjoys Zone 1 connectivity, placing it firmly within London's core transport network and making access to the West End, the city, and other business districts remarkably convenient. What I find particularly interesting about Battersea is that it appeals to a different type of luxury buyer. Rather than prioritizing period architecture or traditional London townhouses, many buyers here are attracted to modern design, convenience, amenities, and lock-up-and-leave lifestyle. For buyers relocating from cities such as New York, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, this style of property often feels immediately familiar. It's contemporary, highly serviced, and designed around ease of living. In many ways, Battersea represents London's future, while Kensington, Hampstead, and St. John's Wood will represent some of its most established traditions. So what's fascinating is that all 4 of these homes sit within a relatively similar price range, yet they offer completely different versions of London. Kensington offers prestige and world-class positioning, Hampstead offers space and privacy, St. John's Wood has architectural character and family appeal, and Battersea offers luxury and convenience. And that's what makes London's property market so compelling. At $5 million, you're not simply choosing a property, you're choosing a lifestyle. So which would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're considering buying or investing in London, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.